All right, see here, we're live. Got the, see here, I'm gonna turn this on. All right, so today is that day right there. Okay, you can see that. We're live, okay? And we're live with a backup camera. You see, well, anyway, there it is. So, let's see here. Once again, we'll take the camera here and put this into that. You take batteries out here. There's a 50. Okay, this is a. That's what I want to show. This is a Quasar. This is a Quasar GX3632. Can you see this in the camera here? All right, and you can't see that just well. Okay. This is a Quasar GX3632, and it has these features here like this. All right, and if I hold it long enough, you can see it like that. All right, and then y'all have seen this before, right? Anyway, so much for that. And then I just want to show you this. Looks like that in the front, and it has a full complement of line in and line out, and that's it on the back, right? Okay, you got that? I want you to make note of though of the all the features here on top. All right, now I'm going to duplicate that with this Panasonic RX-5025-LS. Okay, so here we go. All right, so I'm going to put this hopefully in this thing. Come on. There we go. Set that down there, all right? Now, let me just take this off the tripod for the time being briefly, so I can just run this through you, so the YouTube people can see it. This is a GX, what is it? Quasar GX3632, okay? This has your bass treble, tone, balance, volume, your line-in radio power off, your 3 tape positions, your ambient stereo and mono, and then your 4 bands, all right? And it looks like that on the front, okay? And full complement of whatever in the back. And that's it in the back, okay? So now, what I'm going to replicate is this here with a Panasonic RX Panasonic RX-LS something. Panasonic RX-50 Panasonic RX, I can't remember. 5025-LS, there we go. RX-5025-LS. And once I, okay, so, no opening this from the bottom because I had to get this from another country. Alright. And just, very good. So there's some nice soft padding there. And here is the, let's see, I didn't even look. Well, I guess you, okay, I can see myself in that camera. Okay, great. So, woohoo, yay. Nicely done. Okay, so we got that padding, and we got some styrofoam there, and we got this, we got that. More stuffing, great. And if I missed anything, I'll look at it later in that box, but for a short time, okay, now I gotta go through. Why do they use so much tape on this? Alright, so, that's this, there we go. So, and then, see, I've been trying to find another Quasar. Okay, I had a Quasar GX3632, and after I sold it to somebody else, I discovered that model, which I have here, epitomizes what I'm only looking for in a boombox present day. I don't need a great big monstrosity like a C100F or anything else like that. I just want to be able to play my tapes listen to them, you know, at an appreciable volume. I don't need something to be tearing up the neighborhood with, you know, bouncing, you know, making your windows bounce off whatever. I just want to listen to my tunes, you know, without having to use headphones and have a decent sound with it, you know. Like the other side of the coin, I don't need to be putting, you know, more than 6 batteries in. These only take 9 volts to make them work, you know, so it's light on batteries. It's only about 2 watts a channel, but you know, how much sound do you really need? You know, you can buy bigger boxes, but then you got to lug them around all day long, and you know, I'd rather be lugging around other stuff. You know, okay, great. So nearly there. Great. So yeah, and this. That. All right. Now, this is a world voltage, and there's the voltage selector right there. So I'm going to get out my trusty, because it is set for 220 volts, because I got it from another country. I get out, I don't know if this will fit. Alright, so there we are. It's now set for 110 volts. 110 to 115. That's good enough for me. Alright, so that's like that. And I'm pretty sure it takes a standard plug. So let's get a standard plug. Let's see here. Oh no! Figure 8 plug. Well, I got a figure 8 plug. Okay. There we go, figure 8 plug, and well, again, no work. What's going on here? There's 2 radios in a row here. Well, let's see, what's in the battery compartment? Well, here's a. You knew it came from a different country because it's got one of these plugs. Alright, so see that? You know, alright, so there it is. It's driving me crazy now. Let's see here. If I plug this one in, this one does work. I'm just checking to see. Okay, we have no electrical power here. That's not good. Let's see if we. Does that do anything? Nothing. Well, there we go. Yay! I don't know if you can see that, but evidently that's what, maybe. Okay, well here, so let me turn this off. Turn that off. So this is running on battery power. So here it is. Let's see here, so, yeah. We know the radio works. The motor's running. Gonna need new belts. I can do new belts, no problem. But now I just want to hold this thing up here. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need that. Okay. So now let me just hold this up to y'all. Let you see. See, this has all the same deals as the other one does, but it's Panasonic versus a. And of course, this does not have. It has your DIN plug, which is different. Doesn't have the the RCA ends and such, but it is complete. All right, so it's like that, shortwave, and there's the back of it. Okay, Alright, and then here for y'all, for the YouTube people, here it is. There's the back of it. Tune end. And the, like that, okay? And then of course the front. Let me give you the top. Just real quick, like, well, it's not good lighting, so let me just do this. Let me get both of them down here on the ground, alright? Both down on the ground. Alright, so, yahoo! Take the camera off the tripod and just let y'all see this. I'm happy now. Oh yeah, because these are identical, okay? So this one has, again, you know, the standard like that, and then has the sleep radio tape. Oh, it doesn't have line in. Oh, well, it takes, let's check that out. Well, alright, well, still, I thought it was going to, okay, this one has line in, that one don't. Oh well, but still, it's the same size that I want to be lugging around and so on and so forth, so I'm happy about that. Alright, well, okay, too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Let's just shoot a photo. Alright, there's a couple of photos. Alright, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go, it's 11 minutes.